So I got some more squishies at Five Below, and let's open them. First, I got this dog, and we're going to be taking the tag off and opening it, and squishing it. Because I never squished it. Ow! Button.
You need scissors, honey?
Now I need to take the tag off.
Don't break your squishy.
Let's squish it. I love it. Okay, next, my butter squishy from Five Below. I have it unboxed. So let's unbox it right now. Now,
A boy.
okay, let's unbox it. Wait, why does it feel so soft? Wait, it feels so soft. Wait, actually, let's squish it. Wait, why does it, sound crunchy? Mine doesn't have any air. Only a little air. I love it. It feels so soft.